have the compressor out, I'm gonna do that resistance check once again, and we're gonna compare it to the new one to see what it's supposed to be. We're taking the black alligator clip onto the housing, and this lead right here goes to the terminal that goes to the AC clutch, which is this pin right here. And as you can see, OL. All right, so now let's try it on the new compressor. All right, we got 3.5 ohms. That right there is a good reading.